Hello everyone, how are you all? So today's named reaction is defense reduction, so which is also very important. As previous video we had seen that Rosenmund reduction, how we are going to prepare the aldehyde. In the same way, by using this Stephan reduction we can prepare the only aldehyde. By using Rosenmund reduction only aldehyde, by using Stephan reduction also only aldehyde can be prepared. So these are the Rosenmund reduction and Stephan reaction. One more is there, diisobutyl aluminium hydride. That also I will include in this video. So by using these three reagent, we can get only aldehydes. Okay, na? So don't waste the time. Let's get into the video. Till now, those who not subscribed, please do subscribe. And we are going to see the Stephan's reduction. Okay, na? So now here Stephan's reduction. Now what is actually takes place in Stephan reduction in the sense, whatever the alkyl nitrides, that is nothing but what alkyl cyanides, on partial reduction we are getting the aldehydes. Alkyl nitriles on reduction we are getting the aldehyde in presence of stannous chloride. SnCl2 is what? Stannous chloride. In presence of HCl, and upon in the second step we have to do the hydrolysis in presence of acidic medium, we will get the aldehyde. Now we had taken the alkyl cyanide. It is an alkyl cyanide. Its IPSC name, in terms of IPSC name, if you are giving the name means alkyl nitrile we have to use. Because for cyanide, what is the suffix we will use? Nitrile. Okay, na? So alkyl nitrile. So it is that alkyl nitrile on reaction with the stannous chloride, we are getting the aldehyde is the product. Only aldehyde can be prepared by using this Stephan's reduction. Now you take the here water, I am taking the methyl cyanide. Its IPSC name is ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile is the IPSC name. Two carbons are there. Ethane nitrile. Now whenever it reacts with SnCl2 and HCl, then what happens? It forms the imine. What imine it is? Ethanimine. Ethane imine. Ethane imine. Ethanimine. Okay, na? So that ethanimine is formed. This ethanamine, CH double bond NH groups are said to be what? Imines. Now these imines on hydrolysis, what we are getting? Aldehyde. In this hydrolysis process, what happens? So these two hydrogens from the water and this NH is removed as NH3. Now what is left over? CH3, C double bond, O is left over, that is C double bond OH. That is CHO, that is acetaldehyde. It is what? Acetaldehyde. So its IPSC name of acetaldehyde is ethanol. Ethanol. It is a common name. It is what? IPSC name. Is that clear? So next we will see the mechanism for this Stephan reduction, which is very important. If you have understood the mechanism, no need of adding the product. How we are getting, we will know. Now you see here we are taking methyl cyanide. This methyl cyanide on reaction with the 2 moles of electron. How you got that 2 moles of electron? Now you see, listen carefully. Now what happens here? We have SnCl2, you know. This SnCl2 react with the 2 moles of HCl. Then what happens? We are going to get SnCl4 plus 2 moles of HCl. 2 moles of H plus ions we are getting. That is what? Tin is what? Plus 2 to plus 4 it is changing. That is stannous chloride to stannic chloride. That is SnCl2 is oxidized to SnCl4. That is Sn plus 2 is oxidized to Sn plus 4 by loss of electron. So how many electron it is losing? 2 electron it is losing. That is Sn plus 2 to Sn plus 4 we are getting means by loss of 2 electron. That is the stannous chloride is participating in oxidation and it is reducing the alkyl cyanide to aldehyde. Is that clear? Now you see in this case, the whatever the 2 electrons which we got there, those 2 electrons are added to this carbon. Now here in carbon and nitrogen, which is more electronegative? Nitrogen. This pi bond is shifted to the nitrogen. Then nitrogen get the negative charge. These 2 electrons are shifted to this carbon because this carbon get the positive charge, you know. So then what happens? These 2 electrons are given to this carbon. Then the carbon get the what? Negative charge. Here negative charge indicates 2 electron. This also indicates the 2 electron because it is one nitrogen electron, one carbon electron. Both are shifted to nitrogen. Now here both are getting the negative charge. So here whatever the H plus ion which we got, 2 moles of H plus ion. So one H plus ion is bonded to this carbon, one H plus ion is bonded to this nitrogen. Then we are getting the imine. That is first step we got. We got the imine. Now that imine on hydrolysis, in the second step what we have to do in acidic medium, we have to do the hydrolysis. So here in hydrolysis we are adding the water. Now it is an double bond is there. We are doing the addition of water, then H plus OH minus. Now this nitrogen is having the what more electronegative. It get the negative charge, it get the positive charge, partial positive, partial negative. So then what happened? Plus will go to minus, minus will come to negative plus. That is OH minus ion is substituted on this carbon. H plus is substituted on this nitrogen. This is NH2COH. Now you see in this case, what happens? This hydrogen is lost as H plus. This whatever the bond is there, no, this bond is shifting here. Now here, this NH2 group is there, no, this NH2 group is lost as NH2 minus. This NH2 minus is what? It is a better leaving group. It is better leaving group. So which leaves this compound easily. That is amide ion is what? Better leaving group which easily leaves this group. Then what happens? We are getting CH3, C double bond O, H. That is aldehyde plus ammonia. I think so you have understood the mechanism. Have you understood? Now here the stannous chloride is oxidized to stannic chloride. In that process it releases the 2 H plus ions. Those 2 H plus ions only utilized in the mechanism, and whatever the 2 electron which we are getting, those 2 electrons are involved in the reaction mechanism. Is that clear? Now we will see some example here, 2 example. This is what propane nitrile. This propane nitrile on reaction with stannous chloride and hydrolysis. Then what happens? We are getting propanaldehyde, CH3, CH2, CHO. Same number of carbon containing aldehyde, along with that ammonia we are. Next, benzene. So it is cyanobenzene. So cyanobenzene is the common name. So its IUPAC name is benzene carbonitrile. Benzene carbonitrile. Now whenever we are doing the reduction with the Stephens reaction, then what happens? We are going to get benzaldehyde. We are going to get benzaldehyde plus ammonia. So I think so you got some clarity about Stephen reduction. Now we will see the Diebel reagent. Yes. Now it is a continuation to in that Stephens reduction only. We are using the SnCl2, that is stannous chloride in HCl. That stannous chloride HCl is what not that much preferred. So it is only in case of nitriles only we are using that one. But whereas if you take this diisobutyl aluminium hydride, Diebel is nothing but what? It is nothing but diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Diisobutyl aluminium hydride, which is used in the conversion of acid chloride. It is what? Acid chloride to aldehyde, and also alkyl nitriles or cyanides to aldehydes and esters. So these 3 compounds, that is acid chloride or alkyl nitriles or esters, are converted to aldehydes. By using this diisobutyl aluminium hydride. In some cases in NCERT books they will represent like this: isobutyl taken 2 times, aluminium H they will represent. What is isobutyl group? You take this isobutyl group CH, CH3, CH2. So it is an isobutyl group. So it is an 2 times the aluminium hydride. Okay, no? Actually aluminium is 3 valency, no? It is 2 times, hydrogen is 1, total 3 times. That is diisobutyl. It is what? Isobutyl group. and aluminium hydride. That is the structure of diol reagent, diisobutyl aluminium hydride, which is used to convert the acid chloride to aldehyde, alkyl nitrile or alkyl cyanide to aldehydes, and esters to aldehyde. Here only aldehydes can be synthesized. It is the best reagent for the preparation of aldehyde. Now you can take the acetyl chloride. It is what? Acetyl chloride. This acetyl chloride or ethanyl chloride also is converted to what? Acetaldehyde is converted to acetaldehyde plus HCl. And you can take, this is ethane nitrile. This ethane nitrile on reaction with the diol reagent, diisobutyl aluminium hydride. So we are getting acetaldehyde plus ammonia gas we are getting. So similarly ester, so it is which ester? It is ethyl ethanoate. It is ethyl ethanoate. Okay, na? Because esters are pronounced as IUPAC name is alkyl alkanoate. No, this is alkyl group and alkanoate group. Now which is on reaction with diol, we are going to get acetaldehyde plus ethyl alcohol, we are getting C2H5OH. That is what about Stephen's reduction. By using this Stephen's reduction, we can prepare only aldehydes. I think so you have got some clarity about how we are preparing by using Stephen's reaction and Rosenman reduction in the previous video. You can find in that iCards. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Keep watching Upper Chemistry classes.